I invented a new word. Plagiarism. You're welcome.
This heavy?
It's not too crazy.
Here. Pass you one through my legs.
They're heavy enough.
Yeah.
Not crazy, but.
So we got our flooring. Get it all in the house. It's got to acclimatize for like a week, so we got it now.
It's going to make a huge difference, eh?
What?
It's going to make a huge difference,
I
eh?
almost took my head off. Yeah, it will. It's going to be great. Close this.
You need
one.
a knife or something.
Okay.
Hey, Gray.
What do you need? Oh, a knife?
Man, winter's here now, eh?
Yeah.
It's going down to like minus 20 every night lately. Man, it's quite cold now, eh?
Yeah.
As soon as the sun goes down, she kicks in.
That's better. Drop the whole thing.
Yeah. We gotta crack these boxes open too.
Yeah? You got to open the boxes?
Yeah.
Deal with that when they're all in, I guess, eh?
Pardon?
Deal with that when they're all in?
Yeah. Heavy enough.
Yeah.
Would you close the door a bit? Hey?
Mida.
I can barely fit my body through it. That's it now,
Yep.
eh?
That's all. So here's all our flooring. I love it. It's laminate flooring. It's 12 millimeters thick and 6.26 inches wide. So it's, a fairly wide board. I really like it. We went with the extra thick ones just because, better for your floor, easier to lay it, easier for leveling, stuff like that. So this is called winter oak. So it's like a grayish color, and some of them are a little bit different in color, which is kind of neat because I just think it looks really cool that way, that not every board kind of matches the exact same. So anyway, we just picked it up and I really love it. It's super awesome. We bought the underlay to go under it as well. So we got the really good one that has vapor barrier and leveling and everything in it as well. So we're gonna use that and then we're gonna lay this floor. I can't wait, it's totally gonna change this place. So today I'm wearing our brand new You're Welcome pants. This is a new line in our store and I absolutely love it. Ladies, get yourself a pair. Men, get them for your wife or your girlfriend. They're really comfortable. We also have a pair that says You're Welcome down the leg if you don't want it on the butt, but I thought it was kind of fun to have it up here. Down the leg's really fun too. But they're silky, smooth, tight. Absolutely love them. But yes, really comfortable pants. I suggest you get a pair. We're not the best marketers, so we hardly ever tell you that we even have an online store, but we do have one. And the link's in the description below. And there's lots of other merchandise on there. There's shirts, there's sweaters, there's coffee with Ashley mugs. That's kind of fun. I think there's bags and pillows and a whole bunch of other things. So check it out if you're interested. Again, promoting these pants because I love them. They're funny and they're comfortable. So check them out. All right, now we're gonna head into the kitchen. So now that the ceiling's done, I have one more wall, which is my main wall where the sink is, where the door is to go outside, and where the window is. It's the only wall in the kitchen that doesn't have any boards on it. So I'm gonna reuse that hemlock that we took off from in here. And I'm gonna put it on that wall, and then I think I'm gonna paint it white just to match the ceiling, because it's kind of gonna be a random wall because my other two walls in the kitchen are pine. So I figure if I'm gonna use a different type of wood, I could paint it white and then it'll match the ceiling. And the whole bottom half's gonna be covered by cupboards anyway. So it's gonna be just the top half exposed, but I gotta get that done today because I want it done before the flooring goes down, which is happening in the next couple of days. And then my cabinets should hopefully be here in a week or two. So let's get at it. I got to tape something up real quick. Right there. Oh, guess that's not very level. Let's open up wall. Gee. There we go. It's fixed up there. All right. Yeah. I hate when the tape rips on you. Doesn't go as planned. Pain that is. Whatever, that'll work. It's gonna be hidden in like a second anyway. All right, back with the black. Okay. I'll see for this one I can get it on. It's right there. There. Gonna need to cut it right about here. Okay. I feel like this probably wasn't the easier option. Maybe the lazier option, eh? Not easier. All balled up here. There. So there's gonna be trim like along the sides and stuff. So, I mean, the majority of that's gonna be hidden. So I'm not gonna bother covering it. Cool. Most of it's covered there. All right, now to reach over that stuff. Great. Great working around a million things. Oh dear. To get in there, eh? Huh. That's not gonna work. Oh. Don't know how safe the table is I'm standing on. And then the other thing's my counter. I don't know how safe that is either, really. Well, I guess I'll find out. My sink. I mean, good thing I don't weigh too much, I suppose. Okay, got a couple screws. Oops, a couple screws I got to take out up here. And then I think I'm good to go down. I'll notch. Don't have much left. Oh yeah, look at that. Probably have just enough to do right here. Yep. All right, I have other stuff for the other top section though, so we'll figure that out here Okay, I do have to remove that screw. I think I could put a staple here for now. Yeah, then I'll take that out and that'll be good there. This will pull down. Good, good, good. All right, good. Now I'll just do some cutting. Well, it covered a big section of it, so that's awesome. Glad about that. I don't need anything lower, that's for sure. Because all my cabinets again are going to be down on the bottom, so you won't see anything anyway if the board's separated. It's cool, like it looks like it's ready. More ready than it was anyway. I don't know why I bother even cutting a little piece off, but I will, just so it's not in the way. This stuff here is like underlay in your garden. It's like, yeah, it was super cheap to buy, which is good, and it works great. If you're trying to hide stuff, it works really good. It's like for your garden, I think, so roots don't grow up or something. Something like that. And it's worked good for us. We've used it in a few of the rooms just to hide like insulation and stuff. So there, that's perfect there. And then I'll cut out my one right here. Might need to add an extra staple there then. Okay. Fun. Well, to find you, I don't really want to cut all the way. I like to just poke a hole here maybe, yeah. Okay, I think that'll work. It's not the easiest to cut with scissors, but it's what I'm doing. Imagine I just cut the cord, one of the cords in here. Be bad, eh? Okay, so I'll reroute, obviously, put that under there. I'll reroute these cords through it when ready. There, that'll be fine. That'll be fine for now. It's covered, good to go. Now I just need to cut this last little bit at the top. We'll call this part done. Okay, good. Cool. So this one little piece that I have left, this little strip, will actually fit in behind here. Doesn't cover the whole thing, but again, with the sink and the countertop and everything, I think we'll be all right. So I'm gonna put it there and call it good. It'll like just fit. All right, okay. Could even go to here. All right, one side done. Next side done. And again, once I put the boards on, the boards will push this tight, so it covers pretty much all of it, hey? Once the boards push those down, yeah, that's good. So the wall's all ready and prepped for the hemlock. I ran out of the black mesh, so then I used a little piece of just that tie part over in the far corner, just flipped it, so if for any reason the hemlock does shrink.
It shrinks? Like a frightened turtle.
Which it shouldn't, because it is already dried now, but if it does shrink or shift at all, you'll just see black or gray in the background instead of plastic and white insulation. We use this black stuff on these other two walls here in the kitchen because they were knotty pine, and we knew there was a chance that some of the knots could fall out, and if they did fall out, you would just see black in behind it. So I don't really know why I didn't put it in the walls in the cathedral living room area before I put the hemlock up. I guess I just assumed that the hemlock was dry because that's what I was told, and that it wouldn't shrink, and so I didn't bother putting the black wrap up everywhere. Had I actually put black wrap, I probably wouldn't have tore it all down and then drywalled. But anyway, I love the drywall, looks great. All that to say, I made sure that I didn't screw it up this time in the kitchen so that we got it all wrapped and covered, and that way if any shrinkage happens, we're good. So, it's all prepped, ready to go. We'll see you in the next one.